adventures. We're heading about an hour north of Townsville today, heading up to Paluma National Park. We're going to go up to near Crystal Creek, the rock slides up there, and then we're going to do a bit of exploration up that creek line. Hopefully find some nice swimming holes. Nice warm day, about 30 degrees already this morning. Yeah, so just mosey up there for a couple of hours and see what adventures we can find. Here we go, start of the track. Just a nice little, probably a couple hundred metres, 200 metres up to the rock slides. Nice easy track, just a bit of a road that actually leads up Crystal Creek where the catchment is. And then, yeah, we'll give you a bit of a look around the rock slides and then we'll head up into the off-track bit. Pretty excited about that, been wanting to do this one for quite a while, so finally ticking it off. It's actually a little bit cooler up here, probably about 27 degrees. Should be a nice day. Off to the turn off at the rock slides, about 100 metres from the car park. Up this track here.
You're a bit puffed.
That was a decent little incline.
Little hill climb for you.
Yeah, can't think now. See down there, a couple of rock slides. A few people already. Nice. I'm going to explore up the river first though. We'll have a little look at those on the way back. As you can see, a nice little path. Easy walking for this section. But yeah, should be some nice pools further up.
Away from the crowds.
You. It's at the upper slides of the main upper pool of the main rock slides. See a little bit of water flowing down. Not a great amount. Yeah, lots of cool stuff to explore. Beautiful clear water. Won't be any crocodiles in this one.
Far enough upstream?
Yeah, far enough upstream, away from the crocodiles.
Hopefully away from the people.
Yep, get away from the people holes too. Didn't bring a fishing rod today, it's national park, so no fishing area, unfortunately. Might be some, maybe some jungle perch, possibly some sooty grunner further up in this gorge. We'll see what we can find anyway. Should have brought the mask.
Oh,
Snorkel mask.
I was thinking COVID mask.
No COVID up here. Now you can see we're off the track now, just picking our way up through here. Oh wow, that's beautiful. Huh.
Yeah, is this it?
That's the big pool, yeah. So nice. It's not very far up at all.
No.
Easy. That's very lovely. Look at the water.
Hey?
So nice.
Yeah.
What are you thinking? This is what they call the scooch. It's like a reverse spider call.
safe.
Very safe. No, I actually like the scoop. Very fresh, effective. That is stunning.
Yeah, I'm keen to get in. I'm hot.
Oh, you want to get in here?
No, you don't want to.
Well, we've still got a bit further to go.
Oh,
This is the main pool. I know, we've come about a bit over 800 metres. Bit of rock climbing, scampering. And this beautiful little pool. We're going to explore the gorge a little bit further. And then, yeah, I reckon this is... It isn't hard to beat this one. Little rock slide we can give a try there.
yeah, you're going to give it a go later?
Yeah, we'll send it. We'll send it. Plenty of mark, guys. Just broke out of the bush up this creek line. Come across this little waterfall. Very nice. A cool little spot. Yeah. Snake there. Tree snake. Yeah. Pretty cool. Little tree snake.
Hey.
Little tree snake. And just continuing up this creek line. Beautiful little waterfalls and pools all the way up. Very nice. Very nice. Might be able to see here, we're sort of getting up into the gorge part of this little walk. A couple of points of interest, little waterfall there, that's pretty cool. Just looking it up here, there's a big rock escarpment up to the left. Trying to figure out where this creek drops in. Could be a waterfall.
Could be.
Exciting. See what we can find. That's a little beauty though. Good one. We're just zigzagging our way up at the moment, taking our time. Rocks are a little bit uneven, some of them, so being pretty careful, picking our way. No need to rush these things.
It's not super difficult though.
No. Especially when you see little waterfalls like that, and little pools.
Little dragonfly on the rock.
Yeah, butterflies and dragonflies on the rock there. Very nice. You can see the gorge really closing in now. I reckon there'll be a fair torrent of water coming down here in the wet. Wouldn't want to be anywhere near here, that's for sure. But for now, it's pretty cool. Picking our way through. I'll have to get the drone up and see what's up further. Find a nice little pool. Yeah, look at this. This is awesome. Waterfalls. Absolutely gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
Yeah, getting a bit harder though, the climb. The gorge is closing in. Literally up in the bush here now. Picking our way through this. Oh, a big stand of orchids there. Pretty cool. Ferns up on the rocks. And yeah, some beautiful waterfalls. We're just going to get up to that corner and then we're going to put the drone up. If we can get there safely, otherwise we'll put it up from there. I reckon there looks like a nice shady spot anyway. See how we go, eh? No.
Makes it look quite easy. Is this where you went? I wasn't even watching. Safety first.
Yeah. Look at this, beautiful Form Gorge.
Lovely.
Flows down into Crystal Creek. This one. Lots of fresh water. Move through here in the rain. I reckon there's going to be a nice little surprise for us up around here. Oh my God, yes! Woo! Look at this! Wow!
Lucky you said let's go just around the bend.
Yeah. That is me on every bend though. Wow, look at that. So impressive.
It's so nice. I think there's the map set up. I would come.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just
Woo!
naked swimming. Woo!
Yes! Nudie! Woo! So nice. Being attacked by the killer marshfly. She's like a ninja.
What?
Chopping him out of the sky. Karate. Karate Ronda. Pretty awesome place. A bit more to explore up that way, but not today. We will be back. We'll be back. We'll review the footage and maybe Google Earth a bit. But I reckon there's a pretty cool little waterfall a bit further up. Bit of a mission to get up there, but I reckon it's doable. Gonna need a couple of sangers. Ham and cheese, bit of pickles.
Walks much faster than I do. I'm very slow. is the hardest bit, I reckon.
Yeah.
And it's not too bad. So that's good. Makes sense. Put it there. Tell you what, the marsh flies add an element.
Yes. Marchies are definitely can be overwhelming. All the different rocks. The core of some other different rock there. Oh yeah. They call it a vein, I think. The main vein.
Right, vein.
Also looks like a stairway.
It does.
They might use it.
You might use it.
Yeah. I could show that.
The concentration phase.
Yeah. It's a good place to have during these little bits. Watch out for this. Oh, there it goes. As you can see, we're just weaving our way back through the rocks here. Not too bad really. Take your time, pick your line. There you go. Watch your head. Wah, wah, wah. Duck. No. Yeah.
Spotting. Oh wow. We go into that rock.
Yeah. It's like it's his home.
That's crazy.
Okay. Cool little cave. Lizard up in there. No snakes. Mr. Runaway. Whether you can see it, there's a giant jungle perch sitting in there. And collecting bugs.
Huge.
Coming up to the rocks there, yeah. Big fella. Yeah. Where's the marties now? Another marties.
Hot tip for you young hikers, these are shit.
Yeah, and it says healtheries. No flavour, that's what it means. But they are carbs. Here he goes, here he goes. Oh, break it in half, quick, go, go, go. Oh, on the back of my leg, baby.
Oh, I hit it. Let it go.
Oh, he's going the big one. Oh.
He likes it. I think I'll take it back. I don't know if I'm really hungry, but these ones aren't as shit as...
Hello, we made it back to the pool. The swimming pool. Couple of rock slides. This one where you generally won't find people. It's our kind of pool.
Our own private pool.
Yep. We're gonna have a little swim here, I think. Look at that.
Yeah, lovely.
Oh, wow.
I'm surprised that more people don't come up this way.
Mm,
That other pool will be packed.
yeah. That's close.
Rough.
Bit of quartz in that rock there. Yeah, buddy, that's good for us. You gonna go in?
I want to, but I feel like it'd be freezing.
Just go in the rock slide and just boom, bang it in. Don't even think about
I
it.
kind of just want to sit in that. If I can get in it.
That's good. Do it. Look at this.
I'm just a bit bored.
You get the drain up in a bit. But, yeah, I'll get the drain up first. Should we go this way?
I don't think I'm going to slide in these. Oh god!
Yay! You did it!
I did it!
Yay!
Yes!
Oh, we made it back to the track. Takes you up to the rock slides. Plenty of people down there today, so we won't give you a look at that, but yeah, I mean, it's pretty cool. There's some rock slides and rock jumps and stuff like that. Nice deep holes, but yeah, usually a few people there, so if you make that little bit of effort and go beyond the tracks, no matter where you are, you usually find some gems. Today we found some gems,
Oh yeah.
and I reckon there's lots more up that trail to explore as well.
Oh yeah. Yeah, next time we take a lunch for this, I reckon.
Yeah, so you can see down there,
Oops, sorry.
I won't film too much, but deep hole, rock slides,
Million people.
a million people, blah, blah, blah. We don't love it. Busy places. We just love getting off the beaten track.
Yeah. Hidden gems.
Hidden gems. You. Back to the car.